The members of Orinco who do motor insurance are currently investing in what's called a claims bank. And what that is a database where we will be able to share all of the motor claims data that each of the insurance companies has. What that will mean for consumers is, at the moment, we rely heavily on trust. So we trust that the customers are providing us with accurate information about their driving history and maybe their claims history. This claims bank will allow us to validate that information to confirm whether or not somebody is a good driver. From an underwriting point of view, insurance companies will be able to have greater insight into the customer's driving history and should be able to make a better decision on how to price that product. In some cases, if you're a good driver, you might be able to see benefits in reduction of premiums. In other cases, if you're not a great driver and you've been telling insurance companies that you are, and maybe you've been hopping around from insurance company to insurance company, they will know. Those people's prices will go up. And so what, at the end of the day, we seek to accomplish is to make the rating in these insurance products for motor more specific. So those who are good drivers should not suffer as much any longer for those who are bad drivers. That's the first part. The second part is fraud detection. Fraud in insurance, in motor insurance, is prevalent. Fraud, at the end of the day, costs everybody, not just the insurance companies, because when the insurance companies are defrauded, premiums have to be collected from the customers. Reducing that instance of fraud, being able to identify fraudsters within the system and removing them from the system and taking action to prevent them from committing fraud any longer will help the industry, and it will help customers at the end of the day by making sure they're not carrying the cost of fraud within their insurance premiums.